How to join Telegram group via QR code on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can join a Telegram group via QR code. So let's say someone has sent you the QR code of a group. Now in order to join the group, all you have to do is simply tap on the QR code, and then once you open the photo, you can see this type of scan option on the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then if you have an iPhone, it'll automatically scan the QR code. So simply tap on it, and then it'll basically provide you three different options. You can either tap on the option open in, copy link, or add to reading list. So we'll simply tap on the option open in and then choose a browser of your preference. For now, I'll simply choose Chrome. After that, you will be taken to this page where it'll automatically redirect you to Telegram. So simply back out of here and then tap on the option view in Telegram. Now tap on the option open, and now as you can see, you have been successfully taken to the group. Now if you want to join the group, all you have to do is tap on the option join group right over here, and if there is some sort of verification, simply verify, and there you have it. So that is basically how you join a group on Telegram via QR code. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.